Casa El Paseo. We are showing you around our room. We hired for 2 nights in Miami. Literally quite central, smack bang on Miami Beach. Put a map on here. I'll take you around the room, show you what we've got quickly, and then we're going to head off and get ready to go. So this is Casa El Paseo on Miami Beach. So Casa El Paseo here is a completely self check-in. Everything's all done online and stuff. And when you come up to the door, you get your code, you high-five it, and tick, and it opens. And then you come in. It was lovely and clean when we got here. I'll pop the light on so we can see. Yep, there we go. So you've got 2 massive double beds, some under seat storage with some seats on here, and then in the middle of the beds you've got a bedside table. You come with some earplugs because it's apparently quite noisy, but we didn't find that. Comes with a noisemaker as well, and then an alarm clock and some lights with USBs and plug sockets on there. Beds are really comfortable, and it also came with a fridge inside here. So you open the door and there's a fridge inside cupboard, a couple of drawers, like a breakfast drawer thing so you can put all your stuff on it. And then it came with a Keurig maker, you saw in the opening of the videos, coffee, kettle, and then like a drawer. This was full of coffee as well, and it had sugars. Oh, there's creamer as well. I didn't realise that was creamer. Thought it was sugar and stuff there. Time expired. TV with built on Roku stick. Nice full-size mirror. Hello. Hi Mrs. B. What's up?
Roku stick you can stand into
all your apps.
Which is good. It's got That's our dirty towels.
That's our dirty towels. We use them. They were all fresh and clean towels. Had a safe on the wall built into the cupboard there.
Which was free.
Yeah, free to use. Just put a code in, press lock, and then use the same code to open it. Came with an ironing board. What's that called? A luggage rack? Luggage thing. There's a name for it. Free umbrella because it rains a lot here, as we all know. Fair few hangers. And then in the bathroom, as I said, it was lovely and clean when we checked in yesterday. But we've used it since then. Nice, big shower head.
Really nice, to be fair.
Yeah, really nice shower. Lovely and clean. And then the bathroom. Sink, there was a hairdryer provided, the toilet, all worked.
There is parking here.
And yeah, the kitchen sink, there is parking.
It's
and
$40.
a bathroom sink.
It's $40 a day, it's valet parking basically.
Yeah, valet parking for $40, but we don't know where it was.
I look crazy.
Yeah, and that is the room at Hotel Casa El Paseo. And you get these little cards in the room. One of them's a virtual virtual front desk. You can scan it and it gives you all the information. It tells you the Wi-Fi password and everything. And then it tells you what everything's included. There you go, valet service is on the corner somewhere. $40 a day plus tax. So this is the communal area. There's a bookshelf with loads of books on. There's a microwave we could use. A little record player there, and a water dispenser. Just going to head outside and show you out over the balcony of Espanola Way. Little table and chairs, like a nice view. All the bars and stuff below. People say it was quite noisy, but we didn't hear it at all. Lovely stay. Really recommend staying here if you are looking to stay in Miami. Yeah. So the only thing we found with this one was the fact there was no lift. This is the check-in desk. It's only 2 floors. There's nobody here. You don't see anybody. Yeah. There's a code on the door that gives you on the email, and that's it. That was Casa El Paseo. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share if you found this video useful. We'll see you in the next one. Be happy.